Hello friend, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Gems. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for latest running videos. So guys, let's start out today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform, which platform you can earn using income, and to the site link in my video description. You can click the open the browser. It will bring into this interface. As you can see, the site name is Best Trading Floor, and I will show you how to create account in this platform. So without skip, watch my full video. First of all, you need to register account in this platform. So simply input your email address, put your login password, and the security password. And the security password is most important. If you forget that, it did not be available for withdraw, and the invitation code automatically take it. After complete the all details, simply click the register button and your account ready for login. My account already ready, so I put my details and click the login option. After I log in this account, I will show you the step by step all process. So you can see the site all details are available in here. So simply read the details, and you can see the minimum investment are 15 USDT and minimum withdrawal are 2.25 USDT. If you deposit 15 USDT, you can earn regular 2.25 USDT easily. After you read the all details, simply click the close icon. You can see there a me section. Click the me section. You can see the how much access you have. Simply click the recharge option. Choose TRC20 USDT and copy the address. Go to the your always select TRC20 network and paste the address. Put the amount, how much amount you are interested for deposit. After you complete the all details, simply you click the withdraw option. When you successfully done, come here and click the recharge completed button. After you click the recharge completed button, simply click the back icon. Again back icon, and you can see the recharge already added in my fund, and you can see there have a quantify option. So you simply click the quantify option and click the start quantification. After you start the quantification, you can see the start quantification is process, and when your process is fulfilled, then you get today's dollar. Wait for complete, and you can see the I received 2.26 USDT. And cursor icon, you can see the me section. Click the me section, and I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. So simply click the withdraw option, go to the your wallet. I go to the my wallet, and you can see the add fund and deposit crypto. Choose USDT and network TRC20 and copy the address. Go to the your wallet and select your amount 2.265 and withdraw. Paste your address and put your password, and after you complete all details, simply click the confirm button. When you click the confirm button, sometime wait this page, and you can see withdraw is success. Simply click the back icon, and I will show you I receive or did not receive. So simply go to the my wallet. After I go to the my wallet, you can see I go to my wallet, and I will show you I receive or not. So simply click the USDT, and I will show you I receive or not. You can see I receive 2.26 5 USDT, and the withdrawal are too much fast. Under a few seconds, I receive my withdraw, and you can see I receive my withdraw. Simply click the home icon. You can see the site interface, and you can see the site safe operation and complicated income. The all details in this site, and you can see there have a quantify option. Simply click the quantify option. You can see there have a many kind of BIP level in here. BIP 1, BIP 2, and BIP 3 almost in here. BIP 1, BIP 2, BIP 3, BIP 4, and almost BIP 11 also here. You can see the investment percentage in also here. Simply click the home icon, and you can see the invite friends option in there. Simply click the invite friends option, and you can see that there are 3 levels available for team commission: level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 10%, level 2 3%, level 3 1%. And you simply copy the link and share the social media, and you can earn both income by the sharing. Simply click the back icon, and you can see there are many kind of languages in available in English, Bangla, Portugal, France, Arabic, Italian, China, and many kind of languages in available in here. So you can choose your personal language. Simply click the back icon, and if you face any kind of problem in this platform, simply contact the customer service. You can see there is this is a customer service contact details. Simply click the customer service, and you can see the customer service details available in here. Click there and contact the customer service and solve your problem. So guys, I did not force anyone deposit here. This is your own choice and your own risk. So until today's video, see you next another video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest running videos.